So, you're applying to graduate schemes but your grades aren't on point. You've graduated with a 2.2, which for those of you who aren't from the UK is basically an average grade for your degree of below 60%. A 2.1 is the benchmark for most companies, i.e. between 60 and 70%, and a first is the best you can get, i.e. above 70%. You got a 2.2 for your degree. Whether you were messing around or if you had extenuating circumstances, all of that has little impact now. The good news is you can break into banking with a 2.2. The bad news is it might take a little longer. In this video, I'll share 4 ways in which you can get into front office roles at investment banks, even if you didn't score highly in your degree. The key to this is you need to build your case. But how exactly do you do so? The truth is, the decision to invite someone in for an interview is made at the human level by humans, by employees, by analysts, by associates, vice presidents, directors, and partners. If an analyst sees that your grades are lower than most people you'll be working with, chances are they'll reject your application thinking, why should we let someone in who got worse grades than me? In addition, if any other employees see your low grades, they might think this person couldn't get a strong grade in their degree. What makes them think they can handle working at this organization? From the analyst up to the partner, weak grades don't help you when compared to other applicants who have first-class degrees from elite tier academic institutions. And so, here's what you need to do. The first option is to consider doing a finance-focused master's degree at a top university. This, of course, is easier said than done. A solid master's at a top tier university can easily set you back 30 grand in the UK, so this option will be tied to your personal circumstances and financial situation. If you do manage to get into a strong master's course, the most important thing you need to do is achieve a distinction grade. You literally need to be able to tell the person reading your CV that yes, my undergrad grade was poor, but I smashed my postgrad. Give me an interview. This gives you a leg to stand on and increases your chances of securing the all-important invitation to an interview or assessment centre. The second option is studying for the CFA. Now, it's important to note that the CFA, the Chartered Financial Analyst, is more appropriate for anyone interested in asset management, private equity, hedge funds, and other areas of the buy side. The CFA has less relevance for roles in corporate finance, i.e. the investment banking division or on the trading floor. Having the CFA is basically a stamp of approval on your CV telling the reader that you know your stuff when it comes to investing, portfolio management, asset classes, and so on. It's an in-depth course that provides a thorough grounding in financial concepts relevant to portfolio management and buy-side careers. The third option is work experience. A CV with tons of strong relevant work experience can most definitely outweigh a poor grade. If you still struggle, try to secure work experience elsewhere, whether that be a boutique investment bank, asset manager, or other financial institution, or even a different industry such as consulting. Experience really is the currency, and if you can display strong expertise in a given industry or sector, you'll be more likely to stand out when it comes to interviewing for roles at bulge bracket investment banks in the future. Therefore, always keep an open mind and explore alternative roles and companies. Don't fall into the trap of being too focused on a certain investment bank or two. Your career will span more than 40 years. It's important to remember that. Time is on your side, so stop rushing. And finally, the fourth option is to start your career in the back office in operations or in the middle office in risk. These areas tend to be easier to break into compared to breaking into the front office, and they have great exit opportunities into the front office with time. After doing a year or 2 or 3 or 4, sometimes more, you'll have the relevant expertise to naturally transition into the front office. Once again, focus on playing the long game. It's better to play the long game and increase your chances of success than to play the short game and increase your chances of failure. If the terms buy side, sell side, CFA, back office, and so on confuse you, make sure you check out these videos. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. If you've got any questions, leave them down below, and be sure to catch me on Instagram, and I will see you in the next video.